Hello everyone, my name is Cyril. I am studying 7th standard. My school name is Satya Girls Higher Secondary School. Safely driving one's automobile is the most crucial ability for every car driver. Previously, it was necessary to use both the side and rear mirrors while driving for parking. In this problem, we introduced the working model of collision avoiding vehicles. These innovations enable drivers to safely drive their cars without ever hitting them. A collision avoidance system is a safety system designed to warn, alert and access drivers to immediate collision and reduce the risk of incidents. This system helps to detect the following vehicles and avoid accidents. We use ultrasonic sensor. It is fixed on a blind spot and it helps to measure the distance to an object using ultrasonic sound waves. The ultrasonic sensor detects the vehicle when the vehicle comes close to the blind spot. The vehicle comes close to the blind spot. The buzzer will alert the driver. So these innovations helps reduce the accidents in our daily life. Working of this project.